Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that's been on a lot of people's minds lately. Does Newton have staking? Before we dive into that, let's take a quick look at what staking is. Staking is a process of holding onto cryptocurrencies to support the network and earn rewards. It's kind of like putting your money in a savings account, except instead of earning interest, you're earning rewards for helping to secure the network. So, does Newton have staking? The answer is yes. But there are a few things you need to know before you start staking your crypto on Newton. What is Newton? Newton is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy and sell over 60 different cryptocurrencies. It's a relatively new exchange, but it's quickly gaining popularity thanks to its low fees and user-friendly interface. How does staking work on Newton? Staking on Newton is pretty simple. All you need to do is create an account and deposit some crypto. Once you've done that, you can select the cryptocurrency you want to stake and click on the stake button. The amount of rewards you earn will depend on a number of factors, including the type of cryptocurrency you're staking, the amount of crypto you're staking, and the network's current inflation rate. What are the benefits of staking on Newton? There are a number of benefits to staking on Newton. First, it's a great way to earn passive income on your crypto. Second, it helps to support the network and make it more secure. Finally, it gives you a say in how the network is governed. What are the risks of staking on Newton? There are also some risks associated with staking on Newton. First, there's the risk that the value of your crypto will decrease. Second, there's the risk that the network will be attacked and your crypto will be lost. Finally, there's the risk that Newton will go out of business. How to choose the right cryptocurrency to stake? Not all cryptocurrencies are created equal. Some cryptocurrencies have higher staking rewards than others. Some cryptocurrencies are more secure than others. And some cryptocurrencies are more decentralized than others. When choosing a cryptocurrency to stake, it's important to consider all of these factors. You should also do your research and make sure you understand the risks involved. Staking on Newton is a great way to earn passive income on your crypto and support the network. However, it's important to be aware of the risks involved before you start staking. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crypto content. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.